Hi and hello again, and welcome to this video in the number section, and we're going to be looking at the order of operations and that word BoDMAS. If you're not very familiar with it, well, I'll get to what the heck that means in a second. So here we go. Let's have a look at a quick question. So what is the answer? 2 plus 3 times 4. So if you want to stop the video and have a quick think and see what you come up with. Okay, and let's see what we've got in terms of our answer. So here we go. So one possible answer is 20. But we've got another possible answer which is 14. So let's see, where are we getting the 20 from? Can you spot it? Well, what we're going to do here is do the 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And then do the 5 times 4 and you get the answer 20. Seems eminently sensible. But how about this 14? Where's that coming from? So let's have a look at what's going on there. Well, what she's saying is we've got to do 2 plus then 3 lots of 4. So we've got this 3 lots of 4 sitting here. So that's going to be 12. So we've got to do 2 plus 12, which is the 14. Now, that seems a little bit odd, but this is maths. There is only one answer. One of these things is right and one of them is wrong. Do you have any idea which one is the correct one and which one is the incorrect one? Does either of these answers agree with what you thought? Well, let's see. Now, there is an important set of rules which tells you how you're going to do these kind of calculations, which was the word from that front slide, which is BoDMAS, which seems like a very odd word, but it's kind of each letter stands for something. So first of all, we've got brackets. Now, we haven't got any brackets in our calculation here, but we will see those pop up later. The second word is powers. That's a bit of a cheat because we're using the O from powers, but you know, to come up with BoDMAS just doesn't work. So we're going to use the O for powers. And then hopefully you've guessed what the D, M, A and S stand for. It's division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. And that tells us the order in which we have to do a calculation. So let's now go back and have a look at our question here. And hopefully now you've seen the order, you'll be able to look at these two different versions and you'll have figured out which one is the correct one. But let's have a look at it. Here we go. First thing we've got to do is the multiplying, because multiplying comes before adding. So we've got an add and a multiply there. So we've got to do the multiplying first. So we've got to do the multiplying, then do the adding. And so what we get is for 2 plus 3 times 4, we've got to do the multiplying first. So we're doing the 3 times 4, which is the 12, and then 2 plus 12, which is 14. So this one was the correct answer. Okay, let's just have a look at a couple of other questions. Now we've got these rules that we know that we need to use. So I'll just pop them up the corner again here, just so you can, to help you remember them. And here we go. And again, it might be you want to stop the video, have a go at those two first, and then once you've got your answers, restart it and see if you've got them right. But I'm going to go through them in a second. So here we go. First one. We've got 3 times 4 squared minus 6. Or this one here squared, we sometimes say 4 to the power of 2. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to do the powers first. So that's the bit we're going to do first. So 4 squared is 16, because 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. So that 4 squared is 16 there. Now our sum looks like this. So now we've got to decide what are we going to do first. Are we going to do the multiply or the subtract? So we have a look up here. Yeah, well, the M comes before the S. So we're going to do the multiply first. So 3 times 16, that's 48. And then finally, we've got to do the subtracting. So our answer is 42. Did you get it right? I hope so. Let's go and have a look at part B. So this one's got brackets, division, and an addition in it. So first thing we've got to do, we can see there's the B. So we're going to do the B for brackets. There it is. So let's start off with that. So let's work out what's inside the bracket, which is 11 minus 6, which is 5. Now we've got to decide, I'm going to do the divide or the add. Clearly the D is coming before the A, so we're going to do the divide. So we've got 20 divided by 5, which is 4, so that's that bit. And then finally, just do the adding, so you get the answer 6. When you do these kind of multi-step calculations, it's always a good idea to do them just one step at a time, so you're making sure you get everything done in the correct order.